So I got a couple requests to see the custom mini bar. Excuse the shop truck, it's under construction here. Got some work that needs done. Just put a new wheel bearing on this truck and needs a new side window in the door, and there's a couple issues going on with it, but just kind of give you a better idea of what the light bar looks like on a vehicle in kind of a real world scenario. Matter of fact, I think I have this backwards, so give me a second here. I think I'm going to flip this thing around because it looks like it looks like this Python lights are in the front there. That's actually meant for the back. If you notice the Code3 Taurus light in the center there. Let me flip this around and I'll catch some more video of it. There we go. Okay, so this is with the Phoenix T3s to the front. And there's a linear Code3 in the middle. Code3 linear modules to the corner. Sorry about all the shaking. It's terrible. I should have brought the gimbal out. That's what she looks like from the side with the TIR3 lights flashing. They alternate side to side with the option to change those patterns and do a steady burn alley sort of feature for side lighting. I think it turned out to be a pretty sharp custom bar. Obviously, as I explained before, I built this for my use. This is going to go on a new pickup truck. So if this is something you might be interested in, or you have any other projects or ideas that you're not really sure how to plan and put together, that's what we're here for. We specialize in LED warning, lights, sirens, and any other fleet vehicle equipment imaginable. We are the industry experts. Give us a call, 412-708-6732. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends. And you can look forward to much better content here very soon coming on the page. We're going to start a review series. Just to kind of go over equipment and features, performance, stuff like that. Thanks for watching, and as always, until next time, you guys be safe out there.